Well, we just started with what do we need to start off with, because you've got to tick those boxes. What you want is a different thing. Over quite a long period of time, just when we were living in our old place, we knew what we didn't have or what we needed in terms of space and functionality. So we started with that.
Trusting what your builder says, because your builder has lots of experience and you might sort of have a vision about what you want, but considering what the builder has to say as well, because they've had lots of years experience. Obviously Ryan and your team, you build houses every day. So if you're unsure about something, ask your builder, because they've obviously got the skill, knowledge and experience to probably set you in the right path and the right direction. And I think you've done that, Ryan, along the way with us. We've been unsure about things and asked your opinion. You've given us the right answers and guided us, and obviously we've got a fantastic result. Understanding the aspect as well of your block. So if you're renovating, then you probably do understand the aspect, but if you're building a new home, to spend time on the block and understand the aspect, so that when you're building you can get the best use of light and thermal insulation and all that sort of stuff. That was the biggest fear, is having a builder that would let us down. These days, service levels can not be great, but Ryan always, whatever he says he's going to do, he does, and delivers, and is honest and transparent, which is all you can ask from a builder. So that made us feel really comfortable going into the build, and we're obviously extremely happy with the result we have today.